I am going to be showing how to disassemble and reassemble the car flags. They come with this little knob, we will call it, to prevent the flag from flying off. I use a pair of pliers and I will grip the side, and then I'll apply a little bit of pressure to kind of just wiggle it off like that. And I mean, it doesn't ruin it, it doesn't crack it, it comes off just fine. Then once I take the flag off completely and press it to reassemble it, I will fit it back through here. And then what I do, I find it's easiest, is I will lay it upside down to where the indented part is facing down, and then I will put the little round node on top of the hole and give it a good little press, and it pops right back in, and you are good to go.